Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install always on display on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and you want to change the default always on display by installing your own choice of always on display, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install always on display on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Themes. Now, on the theme page, locate and click on AODs on the menu or navigation. Once you click on AOD, then you should see different AOD here, which translates to always on display. Now, go ahead and select the always on display you want to download and install on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Click on it. And once you click on it, you should say download. Go ahead and click on download. Hang on for the AOD to be downloaded. And after it has been downloaded, go ahead and click on apply. Then it should say turn on always on display. If always on display is turned off, go ahead and turn on always on display in settings. Now once you turn on always on display, come here and then tap apply. Then click on done to apply clock and image. Then it should say always on display applied. Now when next your Samsung Galaxy A54 screen is closed, then it should say the always on display on it. So that's exactly how you can easily download and install always on display on Samsung Galaxy A54. You see that? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.